Hey everyone, iBot the Great here. Today is my birthday, so I am going to unbox some Pokemon cards that I got as a gift. So I got my lucky Burger King Togepi card right here. It'll give me good luck for this video. I got my choppity chop scissors. I got the box right here. Now, the first Pokemon in it, of course, is a Pikachu EX, which is pretty neat. Now, if we take this out, get this card right here. Look at the QR code, man. Look at the QR code. Absorb its power! So you can scan that or get this code online or something. So this is the first pack I will open. It's time to get out my chop scissors. Chop, everybody. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you me opening these packages, but the quality of this video is very low, so, don't expect anything good. Okay, so, I watch Unlisted Leaf, so I'm going to take 3 cards off the top, just like Unlisted Leaf does. And then I put them at the bottom for good luck. Or something, I don't know. So, first card we have is... Whoa! What? Wait. Oh, no, that's just a hollow Pokemon Ranger card. Okay, that's pretty neat, actually. I'm not, a fan of those cards, but... Ooh, a hollow Fletchling, the only problem is it only knows Peck. See, yeah, it's not that good. We have a Mankey, an Aipom, Drifloon, Seedot, Sneasel, Persian, Rapidash, come on, let's see what the last card is. And it's a special charge. Okay. Next pack. So, last pack, it showed Yveltal. Didn't give us much luck. Here we have Xerneas. Hopefully this will be a lucky one. Time to use my choppity chop scissors. I'm sorry you still can't see my choppity chop scissors because you obviously want me to do that. Obviously, am I right? No, I'm not right. I'm so not right. Alright, so, we're good. All those cards over there. 1, 2, 3. Got these cards here. Put them on the bottom. Get another code. Suck it in. Come on, you absorb the power of the QR code. Probopass. Okay, that just looks weird. I don't like Probopass, guys. It's a really ugly Pokemon. Ooh, a sort of hollow Litwick. I'm sorry if the quality of this video is really low. Hey, we got Nosepass. I'm kind of a new tuber. Like, not noob tuber, new tuber. Okay? Hoppip. That's pretty cool. Reminds me of J-Wits. And man, I'm giving so many shoutouts. Meowth. Okay. Okay, we also got a Clauncher. Pretty neat. A Rufflet. Okay. Ooh, a captivating Pokepuff. Hey, someone give me a Pokepuff. Ooh. A shiny Azumarill? No way! What? Shiny? No, wow. That is so cool. And then we got Fletchinder. But, whoa. Just whoa. That thing is awesome. Absorb its epic power. Okay, I'm putting that over there in the luck spot. Next, we got this shiny Mega Rayquaza. Choppy scissor time. Chop it off. Okay, that's good. QR code for good luck. Sorry about the cutoff, guys. My iPod just ran out of battery. It was weird. It cut off again, but the cards that I got were this, 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 and this. Sorry for the cutoff, guys. It keeps happening for some reason. Now time to chop and open this pack. Hopefully it doesn't happen again, because, it's so annoying how it happens. I may have some sort of glitch in my iPod or just not enough memory. I don't know. Final pack. Remember these QR codes, alright? Okay. Let's open up these cards. Nidorina. We got Groudon Spirit Link. That's a pretty neat card. Especially like the design of it. Silent Lab. Wait, oh my gosh, that is creepy. Excadrill, okay. Ooh, a little Weedle. It has the face of Diglett. We got 2 Staryu. Hey, that rhymes. The Torchic. Cool. Dynamo. Rhydon. Final card. Tentacool. Okay, for this first card I'm packing, I didn't get much, but I got a shiny Azumarill. Alright? That is epic. I think it's a shiny. It might be a Breakpoint card, the gold Pokemon, but I'm pretty sure it's a shiny. I don't know much about shinies, but it's all thanks to the lucky Togepi from Burger King. We must praise Burger King. So I'm going to give a shout out to J-Wits, Unlisted Leaf, and the Blue Grief Notch. Subscribe to their channels. Subscribe to my channel too. Or should I say subscribble. Hi, Fibble, everyone. It's basically a backwards high five. And have a nice day. Once again, we had problems with my iPod. So I'm going to go through the Pokemon that I got again. Tentacool, Rhydon, Tynamo, Torchic, Staryu, Holoweedle, Excadrill, the Silent Lab, Groudon Spirit Link, and a Nidorino. Now I can end my video normally. So, shout out to Unlisted Leaf, J-Wits, and the Blue Grief Notch. Also, subscribe to my channel. Hi, Fibble, everybody. And have a nice day.